Hey guys, it's Ashmar here, and we are going to do like a puppet video skit kind of thing, and Kim wants to be in it. So, hope you guys like it. This is our first character. There's supposed to be 3 characters, but there is only 2 characters this time, so...
Because the other characters in the other place at her mom's, but we're at her dad's right now.
Yeah.
So that's why it looks different than our usual videos.
So, let's get the skit done. Oh,
Hello.
what's your name?
Oh, my name's Stunt Monkey. What's yours?
Polar Bear.
Ooh, that's a cool name.
Hi, Stunt Monkey.
Hey, want to see one of my stunts?
Sure. Oh my God.
Is that cool?
Yeah. So, the serious case is he's dead. He's dead.